Greetings everyone. We extend a warm welcome to the 7th episode of Cooling System Education. In episode 6, we delved into an enlightening discussion concerning the various types of cooling systems at our disposal, each exhibiting its distinct characteristics. Today, we shall place our focus on the significance and paramount importance of the pressure cap. The radiator pressure cap is a component in a vehicle's cooling system that helps maintain the proper pressure in the radiator. It is designed to keep coolant from escaping while also allowing the excess pressure to be released, preventing damage to the radiator or other components in a cooling system. The pressure cap works by holding a spring-loaded valve that opens and closes as the pressure in the radiator changes. When the pressure in the radiator is too high, the valve opens to release the excess pressure, and when the pressure is too low, the valve closes to keep the coolant from escaping. This helps to maintain the proper pressure in the system, which is important for proper engine cooling. A radiator pressure cap serves two primary purposes. Pressure regulation. The radiator cap is designed to maintain the cooling system at a specific pressure. As the engine heats up during operation, the coolant inside the cooling system expands, leading to an increase in pressure. The pressure cap has a spring-loaded valve that allows excess pressure to escape from the cooling system, preventing it from becoming overpressurized. This helps protect the cooling system from potential damage caused by excessive pressure. Coolant boiling point elevation. The pressure cap also increases the boiling point of the engine coolant. As pressure increases, the boiling point of the coolant rises, allowing it to stay in liquid form and effectively cool the engine even at higher temperatures. This is crucial in preventing the coolant from boiling and turning into vapor, which will result in the loss of cooling efficiency and potential engine overheating. Radiator pressure caps typically come with a pressure rating specified in pounds per square inch (psi). It is essential to use the correct pressure cap recommended by the vehicle manufacturer to maintain the cooling system's proper functioning and avoid any cooling related issues. It is important to note that the radiator pressure cap should only be removed when the engine is cool, as opening it while the engine is hot can cause hot coolant to spray out, causing potential burns. A pressure cap specification refers to the specific details and requirements of a radiator pressure cap used in a vehicle's cooling system. The pressure cap specification typically includes the following details. Pressure rating. The pressure rating indicates the maximum pressure that the pressure cap can hold before it begins to release excess pressure through its pressure relief valve. It is measured in pounds per square inch (psi) or kilopascal (kPa). Generally, pressure caps are designed from 4 psi, that is 30 kPa, to 30 psi, that is 205 kPa, for most passenger vehicles, but heavy-duty vehicles may have higher pressure requirements. Vacuum rating. Some pressure caps also have a vacuum rating, which indicates the pressure at which the pressure cap will start to open its vacuum valve. This allows coolant to be drawn back into the cooling system from the overflow reservoir or expansion tank as the engine cools down, preventing air from entering the system. Size and type. Pressure caps come in various sizes and types to fit different radiator necks. The most common types are the standard pressure caps and the threaded pressure caps. The correct size and type of pressure cap should match the radiator's filler neck and should be specified by the vehicle's manufacturer. It is crucial to use the pressure cap that meets the manufacturer's specification for your vehicle. Using the correct pressure cap ensures that the cooling system operates within its design parameters and helps prevent issues related to coolant loss, overheating, and damage to engine or cooling components. If you need to replace the pressure cap, consult the vehicle's owner's manual or seek advice from a qualified automotive professional to ensure you select the appropriate pressure cap for your specific vehicle model. And with that, we conclude today's episode. In the upcoming episode, we will explore the proper procedure from inspecting and replenishing your coolant to ensure it's at the correct level. And as always, don't drink and drive, don't text and drive, and always practice defensive driving.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all our social media pages: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and TikTok at Autoshark Ghana for other educational content.